Hi, this is Josh Potter with ACI Controls. I'd like to talk to you guys about the Honeywell GR and DR recording capabilities for AMS2750 and the calibration procedure associated with that. I'll run through a couple of little steps on how to initiate the calibration and show you guys where that's located. With AMS2750, you're required to perform surveys at certain intervals depending on your furnace class. And what we can do with that is, with the recorder, is to create the temperature uniformity survey to your standard, and along with that, the AMS2750 requirements of keeping your calibration records with your TUS reports. It's all done within the Honeywell GR and DR recorders, and that is all set up through the configuration under the General tab and Factory, and then Calibration. The AMS Cal settings are in here, and you're required to have a minimum of 6 points at a minimum of 250 degrees apart. So depending on the range of your furnace, you can have this set up however you would like. Your calibration error is going to be plus or minus 1 or 1% of each reading, whatever is greater. So everywhere from, your low point here at 212 will be 1, and your once you get above 1,000 here, you'll be 1.1. These are just generics that kind of populate on their own. Each set is modifiable. We can delete some, or if we had to add in, we can add it back in. We just select the range, and then we tell it what it's going to be, what the tolerance is going to be for that point, and then you're all set. You're ready to commit that. And then once you go back through, we could actually start a calibration, not on this demo unit, but we would go through, make sure all our TC wires are hooked up, and start the calibration process. To start the calibration, we'll go to the menu, configure, setup, edit. Back in the General tab, under Factory and Calibration, we run the Inputs Cal. This will give you a little pop-up that says you're about to begin the AMS2750 calibration process. So you just go through, select Start, and then if we had our inputs set up and connected, we would be able to start the calibration, run through each point, and then we would save that calibration to the SD card, and then once that is finished, we could do an export of that calibration data, either via the AMS2750 TUS report that can automatically be generated, or on its own to have a separate calibration report. It's a really nice feature to have because everything is included in there. The model number, the serial number, the tolerances, all the set points that you have configured, all comes out in a PDF format, and it does make life a lot easier on anybody that's going to be doing the calibrations for AMS2750. Thank you for watching, and for more information on any of the Honeywell products, you can find us online at acicontrols.com.